Hello everyone, and in this video I would like to walk you through the calendars. I've been using calendars for 6 years, all on automation. No more going back and forth between the meeting. If I have paid consultation, you can opt in and pay and have a paid consultation with me. And in general, when I see still people doing manual booking and doing everything manual, it just I'm so surprised. And luckily with our tool, all-in-one automation platform, you can set up your calendars. You only set it all once and you forget it. And in this video, I would like to show you how to actually set it up and how to set up reminders, because most of the appointments either like no show because people just keep forgetting. If you don't send reminders and you don't send follow up, you're missing on the opportunities just because people are too busy to remember. So if you're a local business owner, or you're a consultant, or a coach, or you're a beauty salon, or you are any like dentist or any basically type of business, if you don't send reminders or follow up for your appointments, you're really missing on the opportunities. And in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to set it up and how to set up automation.
First, head over to the settings, then click on My Profile. Scroll down until you find the Calendar Settings section. Under the Calendars tab, click on Add New Calendar. Here, you'll see several options including Google, Outlook, iCloud, and others. Simply click on the calendar provider you'd like to connect. A new window will open where you'll log in using your calendar credentials. Once you complete the login, your Google or Outlook calendar will be connected to your PulseGrowth account. From this point forward, any appointments booked on your PulseGrowth calendar will automatically sync to your personal calendar. Next, let's connect your video conferencing platform. Switch over to the Video Conferencing tab and click New. Select the platform you'd like to use, such as Zoom or another supported option, then click Connect. Log in with your credentials, and once that's done, your PulseGrowth account will be linked with your video conferencing app. This allows meeting links to be generated automatically for booked appointments. After everything is connected, scroll down to the Calendar Configuration section. Here, you'll choose which connected calendar PulseGrowth should sync appointments to. This is especially useful if you've added more than one calendar. You can also select all calendars to check for conflicts. This prevents double bookings by making sure PulseGrowth doesn't schedule multiple appointments at the same time across your calendars. Now let's set up automatic appointment reminders for your contacts. To do this, head over to the Calendars tab and then open Calendar Settings. Select the calendar you'd like to configure and click the Edit button. From here, go to Notifications and Additional Options. This is where you can enable automatic reminders for that specific calendar. You'll start by selecting the appointment status you want reminders to be sent for, such as confirmed or unconfirmed meetings. Then click Edit and choose the channel you'd like to use for reminders. Let's begin with email. You can write your email content directly here, or you can select an existing email template if you prefer. Once your message is ready, fill out the required fields and click Save. You can repeat this same process to enable reminders via SMS, WhatsApp, or in-app notifications, depending on how you'd like to communicate with your contacts. This ensures your clients receive timely reminders and reduces no-shows while keeping everything automated inside PulseGrowth. And that's it. You've now learned how to connect your personal calendar to your PulseGrowth account, link your video conferencing platform, configure calendar syncing, and set up automatic appointment reminders across multiple channels. For further information, feel free to visit our support portal. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us at connecttopulsegrowth.io. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.